All right, let's look at, we're going to look at example 2 and 3, actually. So same thing, find the measure of each angle. There are only going to be two different angle measures here. We've been given 88, so we're going to do 180 minus 88, which would be what, 92 degrees. So the other angle is 92. I'm going to fill in first all the 88, so the vertical angle is here. The alternate interior is here, and the corresponding is here. The rest of the angles are 92. So angle B is 88 degrees. Angle C is also 88 degrees. They are congruent. Angle H is 92 degrees, and angle G is 88 degrees. Next example. Same thing. We've been given 76. So I'm going to subtract from 180. What is that going to be? 104. So the other angle is 104 degrees. I'm going to fill in all the 76's first. First is the vertical, then the alternate interior, then the corresponding. Everything else is 104. 4 of the angles are 76. 4 of the angles are 104. Angle 1 is 76 degrees. And angle 2 is also 76 degrees. They are congruent. They are corresponding. Try the next two, and then you'll be able to check your work.